How to download and install CapCut after the ban. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download and install CapCut on your phone after the ban of TikTok. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Play Store and see if CapCut is available. So just go ahead and go to the search bar and search for CapCut. Now, if CapCut is not showing on your region, then what you can try to do is download it off of your browser. Go ahead and open up your web browser and then simply search for CapCut download. And once you do that, it will show you the results. So you can download CapCut from the CapCut's website directly. But if that's not working, then you can go ahead and search for a VPN on your Play Store or App Store and install a specific VPN that has great reviews like this one. And once you do that, you should be able to get the CapCut on your App Store or Play Store. And if you're using an iOS device, you can try to change the country or region as well. Just put it something else other than United States, and then you should be good to go. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.